excited for your first beach day trip? It is March 10th, it's 9:20 in the morning and we are at the beach. We left about 6:30 this morning, took us about 2.5 hours. It's about 60 degrees right now, there's not even any wind on the beach, it's crazy. Uh-oh, oh no. Anyway, it's been such a brutal winter and we've had a couple nice days. Joel and I have been itching for a beach day trip. We're gonna do some biking, some walking. I forgot the Nugget shoes. Since we wanted to leave so early so that she could sleep for most of the ride, so she wasn't just, you know, strapped in a car seat for 2.5 hours awake. Anyway, so on the agenda for today, we got a bike ride, gotta find the Nugget shoes, chasing vibes. First up, we gotta find some breakfast. How about it, sis? Joel's here too. He just had to run to the bathroom. There he is. It's warm enough to wear bare feet. Maybe you don't need shoes today. Cheers! We went on a little walk to look for a place to eat breakfast. I remembered that I had a banana and Cobie's milk in the car, so we decided to have a little beach picnic. What a dream situation, right, sis?
Shoes off.
Oh, that's like almost perfect. It is perfect. It is literally the perfect day. We've got near record highs today. It's just so nice. Oh my God. Never would expect this for March. Gotta get the nugget relief. Wow. Holy sis. Joel's going on his bike. A duck? What's the duck say? The nugget fell asleep. When you're living spontaneously, sometimes things don't always make sense. We got about 6 miles into our bike ride and we're like, wait, what about lunch? There's nothing this way. So here we are, we came back. We're gonna find some lunch and see what else we get into. It's like magic, this. Okay, pit stop. What do you think? You wanna try? That's so huge for her. Not much representation for the babies here. No, hey, you're jumping on my leaf again? Just hold it. No luck with the nugget shoes.
Got a big kid cup.
Oh my gosh. Joel just got on the nugget. No way, sister! Why did you do that? Oh, don't squeeze it. The Nuggets world today. I did not realize how huge this was gonna be. I took a few pieces out and now we're good. So lunch, what vibes? First of all, for 10 out of 10. Do not be mistaken. We're breaking for the Nug to take a little walk. We still haven't found her shoes.
Look at you all big by yourself.
Oh yeah!
Look how big you are.
Can you say hi?
Hey.
Anyway, the food was good. It's just the one time we were there, it was literally so good.
This wasn't good enough to finish.
Yeah. Okay, we hate like saying bad things, so you get the point. Vibes though, 10 out of 10. Do you see the bunnies?
You bucking?
There was one lady, she told Cobie she liked her whole outfit basically and said, I hope I'm as cool as you when I grow up. You're pretty cool, sister. So I should note, Cobie thought it was bomb. She loved her food. I have no idea how to tell you how warm it is because it's near record highs, like I said earlier.
Everywhere says that, at least.
Yeah. Joel's weather, he uses the weather channel. I use the weather app. They're all like 10 degrees apart and then like the car is saying a different temperature. At one point, one of the things said 80, one says like 67, the other one says, the car right now says 75. Anyway, I kind of get it because while we were out and about, it was like, we would go through spots that it was like,
Really cold wind coming off the ocean. It felt like it was 40.
yeah, like I would want to take my sweatshirt off and I'd be like, no. Anyway, that's the update. It's been feeling like summer, but we don't know what the actual temperature is. But whatever it is, it's literally giving this vibe, and we love that.
Cute little face and that cute little helmet.
We drove in to the other side of the trail, the more beautiful side of the trail, right?
Yes.
It's all beautiful, but anyway, it's my turn with the Nug. Props to Jolie for always taking care of the bikes.
I love taking care of the bikes. Little change of scenery. Yes, this goes across the lap, I think. Might be a little too tall. What do you think, little Woom?
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
It's too beautiful. I was checking out that beautiful view.
Stunning.
Just like you, Nug.
lonesome dove, folding on the launch.
Are we in Monterey or?
Summer love. Remember,
I think you've done like 10 miles today.
nowhere fast.
How's it feel on your little tush?
Garden won't
Can you say
stop
hi?
giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could release some stuff like that.
You want me to eat your fingers? You want me to eat them?
Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love.
Having a good time?
Memories
I think we tried to open that one before.
washed in every shade of green.
What if you
all
just-
colors.
What if it just opened?
Summer love.
Just a bunker in the middle of a bike trail. We're camping here soon, and the weather, we're really hoping for a weekend like weather-wise like this, because like literally next weekend's supposed to be in the 30s again. But we've got a few weeks, so fingers crossed. We'll be camping 3 nights with the Nug. She's already done it once before. She's a professional. I guess I should say, in case you didn't know, this trail goes through a campground. Here are some little, cabins that you can get. We will be tent camping.
We need to go back to the car.
Oh, she fell asleep.
Walk forward.
Oh, you're so sleepy. Okay, let's make our way back. We had to pause because her head would not stay up in the bike seat. Cutie baby. Oh my god, a precious angel. The doubled up socks, I cannot. I like literally couldn't ask for a more peaceful sleeping situation.
Birds chirping, squirrels jumping.
Oh my gosh. So cute. Last year, the Nug was too little for a beach day trip. So we're really excited that she gets to come along with us this year. And what a perfect first beach day trip. We always love to take beach day trips, especially as soon as the weather gets nice. It's like, when are we going to the beach?
This year that's in March.
Yes. Earlier when I said she's never done a beach day trip before, she has been to the beach before, but she's just never done a beach day trip until now. This feels a lot like how we normally do our beach day trips. Like normally it consists of coffee, which we did at home, which we do a lot of that at home now. Coffee, ocean views, bikes, lunch,
Pizza.
and we're literally that's about it. So
Yeah, it's been a good day so far.
here's the beach wind. I don't even know if you can hear me because of the wind, but our day is almost over. We wanted to say bye to the ocean.